Very good morning, my dear children. How are you all? Hope all of you are in the best of your health with God's grace. Children, today I will be taking up a grammar topic with you. But what is that topic? You will come to know after we go through certain slides. You will get the topic. So let's get started. This is Nikki's cat. This is Dan's photograph. This is Natasha's skirt. This is Tom's hat. So here you can see in these all four sentences there is a comma and an S. Now what is this comma? Children, when we put comma above the word, it is known as apostrophe. This comma above the word is known as apostrophe. So in some words we put only this, and in some words we put this. So only when we put this sign we call it as apostrophe, and when we put this sign and s we call it as apostrophe s. Now why do we use these words? Any guesses? Yes, to show the possession, or such words are known as possessive nouns or noun belongingness. Non-belonging means basically we use this apostrophe and apostrophe s to show the possession or belongingness. Now what do you mean by possession or belongingness? Possession or belongingness means to whom a particular thing belongs. For example, I say this is Ritu's book, this is Rahul's eraser, that is Mr. Sharma's house. So the house, pencil, eraser, to whom these belong, things belong, those person are the persons whom the thing belongs. So in order to show the belongingness we use apostrophe s or apostrophe. Now where we use this apostrophe s or apostrophe, let us study. Possessive nouns are the nouns that show possession or ownership. Wings of the angel and angel wings. Cake of teacher Beth's cake. Ice cream of Lay's ice cream. So what it is shown that whose wings are these? Angel wings. Whose cake it is? Teacher Beth's. Whose ice cream it is? Lay's ice cream. So to whom a thing belongs? Beth's, angels, Lay's. These three words are showing the belongingness. So we put apostrophe here. We will not put apostrophe before wings, cakes or ice cream. No. To whom a thing belongs. Before that, sorry, after that, person's name only we put, or things names only we put apostrophe. Now children, there are certain rules to be followed. One by one I am explaining you. Add an apostrophe and an s to singular nouns. When the nouns are singular, like here Lance is a name, Lay is a name, Teacher Beth is a name, so we put apostrophe and s because they show the singular. Wherever, like student, I'm talking here about one student, so apostrophe s will be there. Next, add an apostrophe and an s to proper names. Yes, proper names like Paulo's crayons, Ree's plants, Margie's earrings. Here, all these three words are showing the name of one person, so we put apostrophe and s. Now, children, with plural more than one, s is already given, but we don't put s. So, like here, the word is, for example, if I write the word here, lady, ladies, ladies is written, s is already there, so I will not put apostrophe s, I will put only apostrophe here. Why? Because s is already given. But if I write lady, lady, here I am talking about one person, one lady, so what I will put apostrophe and s both. We will put apostrophe and s both. But ladies already s is given, it's plural more than one, so I am putting here s. For example, if I use the word boy, here I am talking about one boy, and here I am talking about many boys, so what I will do, boy, apostrophe s will be there. Boys more than one, so I will put apostrophe after s. I hope the concept is clear to you all. Now, children. For the children, men, and women, these three words are plural, more than one, but they are not ending in s. So we have to put apostrophe s after them. Though they are plural, just I told you with plural we put only apostrophe, but where the word is ending in s, but here it is ending in n. Women, children, men. So here we have to put apostrophe and s both. Next, here you can see boys shorts, teachers faculty, babies toys. Here all these are ending in s. So we will put only apostrophe, not s. But here we need to put apostrophe and s because they are not ending in s. I hope the concept is clear to all. Next, if an item is owned by two or more persons, joint ownership, add an apostrophe and an s to last owner. Yes, children, one more concept is like one thing is belonging to two people, like Lester and Lance's dog. Marga's and Cassie's bedroom means the dog is belonging to both the children. Bedroom is belonging to both the children. Okay, so here we put apostrophe after the second name, not after the first name, only after the second name. But if the dog or bedroom is belonging means Lester is having its own dog, Lance is having his own dog, Marga is having his own room, Cassie is having his own room. There we put apostrophe as before both the names. Like this. Razzles and Lays projects, Vince's and Carlos gifts. Here because the ownership is different, he is having his own work thing and the other is having its own thing. So here both the possession are different, but here the possession is same, so we need not put apostrophe before the first name. I hope this concept is also clear. Now add an apostrophe and an s to the last word of hyphenated, like editor in chief's, mother in law's. Here apostrophe after the last word. Now children, very important concept. We use the of phrase for non-living things. For non-living things we use of, not apostrophe s or apostrophe. For non-living things we use of, like the key of the door, the wall of the room, the wheels of the car. Apostrophe will be not there. For non-living things we use apostrophe. You can see here key and door, wall, room, all these wheels, cars, all are non-living things. So for non-living things we use of, not apostrophe s. I hope this much is clear. Just a recap: singular apostrophe, plural apostrophe s when the words are irregular. Irregular words are like man, men, woman, woman, child, children. These such words whose singular and plural are different are your irregular words. Regular like lady, ladies, students, students. Where singular and plural are same, there only we put apostrophe. Children apostrophe s, this is irregular noun. Kids, it's a regular noun, so kids apostrophe after s. Maya's apostrophe s. Cats apostrophe s. Now children, a noun that shows ownership relation is a possessive noun. Now let's try to do the hair of Rapunzel. Rapunzel's hair, very good. The book of Casey and Kelvin, book. Here I am talking about one book, means both are having the same book. Casey and Kevin's book, apostrophe after Kevin. The clothes of Wang and Erin. Wang and Erin, clothes means more than one I am talking, means they are having different clothes. So Wang's and Erin's clothes. The projects of the pupils. The pupils' projects. Now come back to your book. All of you write the date, day, class work on the top as usual. I hope the concept is clear. Non-belongingness. Complete the conversation between Nita and her mother as they look at an album of photos. Use the words in the boxes. Nita, who is this? Mother, this is my friend, Mina's mother. Nita, is that Mina's sister? Mother, yes, that is her sister. Mina's aunt has here is so long in the photo. Children, in book it's written auntie, so you will not put y here. Just aunt apostrophe s. Auntie is no word in English. It's aunt. Did you see apostrophe used after the noun Meena and aunt? Look at these sentences. Mr. Pathak's armchair is brown in color. Mr. Pathak's armchair, the armchair belonging to Mr. Pathak. Charlie's teacher lives in Goa. Charlie's teacher, the person who teaches Charlie. We add an apostrophe after singular noun to show that something belonging to someone. We also use it to show that something is related to another thing. Example, this is Raj's bat. This bat belongs to Raj. This is Sam's school. This is the school where Sam studies. We add only an apostrophe for plural noun which end in s. The soldiers' uniforms are green in color. Here we are talking about more than one soldier, so apostrophe after s. The truck's wheels are very big. Apostrophe after s because trucks is a plural noun here. I hope children all the concept is clear. Now let's move on to the exercise part. Rewrite the expression using apostrophe s. The toy is owned by Sumit. Sumit's toy, Sumit apostrophe s. The song the girls sang, girls song. Exam taken by the students, students exams. After them it is s also beta. Students apostrophe s. Only the word to whom a thing belongs, there only we write apostrophe, not with the other words. The shoe belonging to Ravi, Ravi's shoes. The mask of the clown, clown's mask. The advice given by my mother, mother's advice. The buns made by the baker, baker's bun. The books written by E. Nesbit, E. Nesbit's book. Here we were talking all about singular nouns. Rewrite the sentences using apostrophe s show possession. They sold the house which belonged to Mr. Khanna. They sold Mr. Khanna's house. The tail of the dog got stuck in the wire. The dog's tail got stuck in the wire. Dogs apostrophe s. The house of the Prime Minister is in Delhi. The Prime Ministers here whom we are talking about Prime Minister. So it will be Prime Minister's apostrophe s after minister. The Prime Minister house is in Delhi. The wind blew away the hat of the umpire. The wind blew away umpire apostrophe s hat. A lot of people like to watch the films of this actor. A lot of people like to watch this actor's apostrophe s after actor because we are talking here about actor films. There were tears in the eyes of the child. There were tears in the child's eye. Child, child apostrophe s. The cat broke the nest of the bird. The cat broke the bird's nest. Bird apostrophe s nest. The stories written by this author are very interesting. This author's apostrophe s after author. Stories are very interesting. I hope children you all have done this. Now moving on to exercise C. Change the underlined words with apostrophe s or apostrophe. Now here both are mixed, singular and plural. One is already done with for us, second we will do. We sing the songs written by Tagore. Children, now here the underlined words are only to be changed, rest we will write the same. We sing Tagore's song, Tagore apostrophe s. The hats of the witches are pointed. The witches' hats are pointed. The house built by Jack has 2 floors. Jack's house has 2 floors, full stop. We have to decorate the room of Pauline. We have to decorate Pauline's room. Pauline apostrophe s. Nest of the bird is very dirty. The bird's nest is very dirty. The whistle used by the guard was hanging on the hook. The guard's whistle was hanging on a hook. The family of Ben lives in a huge house in the old city. Ben's family lives in a huge house in the old city. The quotes of the doctors, not doctors more than one. So answer will be doctors apostrophe s will not be there. Only apostrophe after s will be there. Quotes are hanging in the cupboard. The pets owned by the sister live in this house. The sisters apostrophe after s. Pets live in this house. I hope children the concept is clear. Anything you could not understood you can ask me in tomorrow's live class. Till then, bye. Have a great day. Thank you. God bless you all.